Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making smoked sausage rice from Recipes by Claire. It's a simple one-pot meal that's smoky, savory, and ready in under an hour. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this smoked sausage rice was straightforward and fairly simple to make. We love one-pot, all-in-one meals, and this was exactly our kind of dish. I decided to use smoked chicken sausage for this version because it's a lighter, healthier option compared to traditional pork sausage. I also swapped in smoked paprika instead of regular paprika. It adds a deeper, richer flavor if you have it available. Once everything had cooked for 20 minutes, I took the lid off and most of the liquid had absorbed. The rice was tender and it looked perfect. I finished it off with a little fresh parsley on top for some color and freshness. Now for the taste test. When I took a bite, it was incredibly delicious. The chicken sausage had a ton of flavor, and the rice soaked up all those smoky, savory seasonings. The red bell pepper also gave it a nice texture balance. It reminded me of a mild Cajun dish. This is comfort food at its finest. If you're someone who likes things with more heat, you could easily kick this up with a hot sausage, add in some hot sauce or sriracha, or use some cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. But honestly, it's fantastic just the way it is. This recipe was a standout from start to finish. It's easy, filling, and packed with flavor. It's the kind of meal you'll want to make again and again. I give it 1,000 stars, and I absolutely recommend giving it a try. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.